Hello, my name is Nick, and today we're gonna learn how to juggle 2 balls with 2 hands the correct way. So let's get started. Now, what do I mean when I say the correct way? Is there really a wrong way to juggle? The answer is no, of course, there's no wrong way to juggle. However, if you do want to learn how to juggle 3 balls with 2 hands, this is going to be a lot more helpful to get you started. And when you're done with this video and you want to learn how to juggle 3, I've got a video for that right up there. So first I'm going to show you what you're probably doing wrong. Now, if you gave 2 juggling balls to probably 90% of people and told them to juggle, they're going to do something that looks like this, where one hand does all the throwing and one hand does all the catching. You'll see my left hand is always throwing the ball, my right hand is always catching it, and then passing it to the other hand. Now, this is what we do not want to do when juggling 2 balls, and we're going to try to get that out of your system if you're naturally doing that. The first thing we want to do is start with our dominant hand, so the hand that we write with, and we're going to throw that ball into the air, just like before. Now, while this ball is waiting, instead of passing it to the other hand, what we're actually going to do is throw that ball up just like we did the first throw. So it's going to look something like this. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch, just like that. Now we want to only throw the ball right when the first ball is at its peak, then throw the second ball. They're gonna cross in the air and sort of make an X pattern in the air. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch, just like that. Now when you first try this out, a lot of people have a tendency to throw the second ball a lot lower than the first one, and they end up kind of landing around the same time. We wanna throw them about the same height. So throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch, and it should have a rhythm sort of like that. It shouldn't be landing at the same time. You shouldn't be throwing at the same time either. You should only be throwing it right when it starts coming down. Throw, throw, catch, catch, just like that. Now this will take a little bit of practice, especially if you've been doing this for a while, but after a little bit of practice, your brain will sort of learn how to do it, and it should start becoming pretty easy. But once you can do it starting with your dominant hand, we're now gonna try starting with the other hand. So I'm left-handed, so I start with my left hand and do left, right, catch, catch. But now I'm gonna try to do it with the opposite hand. So I'm gonna go right, left, catch, catch. Left, right, catch, catch, stop. Right, left, catch, catch, stop. So start with the opposite hand, throw that ball into the air. When that starts coming down, we throw the second one. It'll make an X in the air, throw, throw, catch, catch, throw, throw, catch, catch, just like that. We're doing the same exact thing, except starting with the opposite hand. And once it becomes a bit more comfortable, you can then alternate. So go left, right, catch, catch, right, left, catch, catch. Left, right, catch, catch, right, left, catch, catch. You also want to make sure you have good form when you're juggling. So you want to have your feet shoulder width apart, hands at your sides, kind of like this. You don't want to have your elbows locked to your body, and you don't want to have them too far out, just a nice comfortable position. And you also want to make sure you're looking a little bit up. You don't want to be looking down at your hands. You want to be looking just a little bit up so you can see the ball all the way through, and you kind of use your peripheral vision into your hands so you're not looking down at your hands when you're throwing. Now, when you start to alternate between your 2 hands like this, you can stop in between each attempt. You don't need to just keep throwing the ball into the air like that. You want to throw, throw, catch, catch, stop, reset, and then do the other side. You want to have nice positioning, so if you tend to start moving your arms forward when you do it, just kind of bring them back in between each attempt. If you're not sure if you're doing it correctly when you're first starting off, you can have someone watch you and tell you if you're doing it right, or you could even record yourself and see if it looks something like this rather than like this. Remember, this is not what we want to be doing. This is what we want to be doing. And if you want to get your own set of juggling balls, I've got a link down in the description, and you can use code NICKT for 10% off your purchase. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe for more videos like these, and I'll see you next time.